Hey beauty lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic makeup looks out there, winged eyeliner. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for tips to perfect your technique, we've got you covered. So grab your favorite eyeliner and let's get started. Before we get into the how-to, let's talk about the different types of eyeliners you can use for this look. You've got pencil, gel, liquid, and felt tip pens, each with their own pros and cons. But for today, we're going to focus on liquid eyeliner for a bold, defined wing, which is a popular choice for many. Alright, let's start by applying the eyeliner along your upper lash line. Start from the inner corner of your eye and gently work your way out. You want the line to get thicker as you go along the lash line, creating a nice base for your wing. Keep it as close to the lashes as possible to avoid any gaps. Now, here comes the fun part, the wing. To make sure your wing is even, imagine a line going from the corner of your eye toward the end of your eyebrow. This will guide you to draw your wing at the perfect angle. Starting from the outer corner of your eye, draw a line going outward and upward, following that imaginary line toward your brow. Once you've drawn your wing, we're going to connect the outer tip of the wing back to the lash line. The line should be nice and smooth, creating a triangle shape. Don't worry if it's not perfect, just go slowly and adjust as needed. You can always clean up the edges later with some concealer. Next, fill in the triangle you've created. Make sure the wing is solid and bold, then go over your lash line to make sure everything is crisp and even. If you have any mistakes or uneven areas, just use a small angled brush or a cotton swab to clean it up. And there you have it, a beautiful winged eyeliner look that's perfect for any occasion. It's bold, dramatic, and makes your eyes pop. If you're feeling adventurous, you can make the wing bigger or smaller depending on your personal style. A thinner wing is perfect for an everyday look, while a bold wing can take your makeup to the next level for special occasions. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tutorials. And let us know in the comments, what's your go-to eyeliner style? Until next time, stay beautiful and keep winging it.